Consider the expression f of n is equal to 7 to the n minus 1 for n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Work out the first four values of n, form a conjecture, and prove it using mathematical induction. So f of n is 7 to the n minus 1. So f of 0 will be 7 to the 0 minus 1, which gives 0. F of 1 will give 7 minus 1, which is equal to 6. F of 2 will give 7 squared minus 1, which will give 48. F of 3 will give 7 cubed minus 1, which is 342. Now, all these numbers are actually divisible by 6. So we can see that very easy, the first three. 0 is divisible by 6, because 0 divided by 6 is 0. We can see that f of n for the above values of n is divisible by 6. Is that true for all values by n? So that's going to be my conjecture. So we're going to try and prove the conjecture by using the principle of mathematical induction, starting with n is equal to 0. Okay, so proposition is that f of n is equal to 7 to the n minus 1 is divisible by 6. So f of 0, so we're proving for a certain value, is 7 to the 0 minus 1, which is 1 minus 1, which is 0. Notice that's equal to 0 times 6. So f of 0 is divisible by 6. Assume true for f of k. So we're going to assume that f of k is divisible by 6. So then what we are saying is that 7k minus 1 will be equal to 6 times another whole number. This will be true. Because if you did 7k minus 1 divided by 6, you would have to get a whole number. So, right, so when n is equal to k plus 1, f of k plus 1 will be 7 to the k plus 1 minus 1. Now that can be written as 7 times 7 to the k minus 1, but 7 to the k is equal to 6a, so substitute that in. 7 to the k is 6k plus 1, so we'll substitute that in. So 6 times 7 is 42a, plus 7 minus 1. Then it's 42a plus 6. Now the common factor there of 6, that comes out as 6 times 7a plus 1. It doesn't matter what a is. This will be divisible by 6 because it's a multiple of 6, this expression. So f of k plus 1 is also divisible by 6. This is how it works. And therefore we need our concluding statement. F of 0 is divisible by 6. And if f of k is divisible by 6, then so is f of k plus 1. Therefore, if f of n is divisible by 6 for all natural numbers by the principle of mathematical induction, we're assuming here the natural numbers will include the number 0. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to form and solve a conjecture and then proof by induction for divisibility. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.